Tesla announces 5-for-1 stock split and the share price skyrocket to say 8%. Is Tesla on sale and why? What does it mean for Tesla and prospective investors? Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. Time to subscribe. So what is stock split? It is the decision of a corporation to divide its existing shares to boost the liquidity of the shares, while the market cap and the underlying value remain the same, meaning the number of shares increases but price per share is reduced. And in Tesla case, from say $1,500 to $300 because of the 5-to-1 ratio stock split. Please check my recent video about Apple stock split at the end of this clip, titled Apple Stock Split, Why 4-to-1 Split, for more insight on the subject matter. The question often asked is if the split does not change the business fundamentals and its market cap, then why the split? Well, there must be other reasonable reasons for this action. Let us find out. Meanwhile, according to Tesla, quote, it will make stock ownership more accessible to employees and stock investors, end quote. And the split will happen on the 28th of August 2020. So, what does it mean for prospective investors? Okay, if and when you buy the shares before this date, you will buy it at the ongoing market price, which is say 1,500. And let's say you bought 10 shares, you will be debit $15,000. And after the 28th of August, when the split 5-to-1 will take effect, the share price of the stock, the 15,000 will be divided by 5 to give you a $300 price. However, you will receive 40 additional shares, making it 50 in total at the cost of $300 per share. So for investors who already own the stocks, they will have 4 more additional stocks for every stock they own at $300. So it is a win-win for investors and the management. So when is the best time for a company to initiate stock split? According to some experts, when the stock valuation becomes so high and smaller trader could not buy it because of the price, meaning the stock is very bullish at all-time high. This could be a positive sign for the stock though. Again, companies would also engage in stock split to encourage traders to trade in options. Why? Because to trade option, says cover call, for instance, investors need to own 100 shares of more in their portfolio. In effect, Tesla stock split means Tesla stock price is reduced, hence investors can now buy 100 or more of Tesla stocks to trade option effectively. Again, if you want to know more about cover call option, check my video titled Cover Call Option to Generate Wealth. You will find it at the end of this clip. Let me illustrate further. Looking at this option table, you will realize that Tesla is selling for above 1,500. For this exercise, let's peg it at 1,500. So to trade options, particularly cover call, you need 100 shares. So you will have to multiply 1,500 by 100 shares, which is $150,000. Again, this is expensive. Again, if you want to exercise options, say for instance, you pick the 7150 bid, which I chose earlier on, you will have to multiply it by 100. So $71.50 multiplied by 100 will give you 7,150 to implement the call option, which is very expensive. Now, let us compare this with Microsoft, which is perhaps less expensive. Now, looking at Microsoft, let's peg it, say, at 200. And if you're going to be initiating this call, let's say for instance you choose the $11.70, which I chose earlier on. Mind you, the bid and the ask price keep changing. It's very fluid. Okay, for this exercise, let's say you want to initiate a cover call at $11.70. You will have to multiply $11 by 100, which is the standard. That gives you $1,700, which is less cheaper than Tesla. So for Tesla management to do the 5-to-1 stock split, it's a wise decision. It is a win-win for both investors and Tesla. Tesla, no doubt, is a great auto and tech company with a lot of potential. Is it a buy for me? I'd love to, but not at this price. I will have to wait for another stock split, say 7-to-1 like Apple. Okay, here comes the best part. For Tesla and the investors, it is a win-win. Meanwhile, please do your own research. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe and like. Please comment below. Are you going to buy Tesla now or after the split? Please let me know. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.